want your child to hear your say. Let's learn a smarter, kinder way. Not just know and not just do. First understand your child. It's true. Every child is not the same. Different hearts, a different brain. Some love noise and love to play. Some need calm at end of day. Some are quick and full of cheer. Some need time to feel things clear. Watch them closely day by day. They show you signs along the way. What are they good at? What do they love? Drawing, dancing, stars above. Building blocks or story time. Running fast or singing rhyme. Use their strengths to guide them through. Turn their world into a clue. If you finish, then we play. Make it fun, they'll join your way. What feels hard? Where do they stop? Sitting still or cleaning up? Big loud words can make them freeze. Too much rush can never please. Break it small and keep it light. One step now, you're doing right. Help them grow, don't rush or shout. Little wins will sort it out. Go down low and look their eyes. Say their name, no need to rise. Soft and firm, clear and kind. That's the way to guide their mind. Give them choices, not command. Red shirt or blue, they understand. When they feel they have a say, they will listen more each day. Hugs and smiles before the rule. Love is always the best tool. If they feel safe, heard and seen, they'll be calm and not so keen to shout or cry or run away. They'll learn to listen, come what may. So don't just ask, why don't you hear? Start with love and draw them near. Know their strengths and where they fall. That's the secret. That is all. Listen first, then they will too. That's the magic between you two.
Subscribe to our channel Rhyme Lush. Follow us on Facebook page Rhyme Lush. Thank you.